We'll guide you through how to turn off restricted mode on YouTube. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Restricted mode can go and be hiding more mature videos on YouTube. So it makes sense that you might want to go and turn it off, so you're then able to go and see them and also be able to go and use comments as well. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and turn it off. Make sure you watch this full guide and don't skip ahead, otherwise you may go and miss an important part of this guide. Without any other further ado, let's get started. So what we need to do is come to the bottom right and go and press U. If you're on a computer, press your profile picture in the top right, go down and you can find restricted mode and tap there and find the switch. But continuing, if you're using a mobile, once you're on the channel or sort of account, once you're on this page here with the different options, we need to go and find settings, and that is in the top right. So what you can then do is go and tap there. Now you're going to go and see a list of different options. What we need to do though is we need to go and find restricted mode. So that is going to be at the top. So come into general, and then you can go and find restricted mode here. So you can go and see it's currently switched on. So what we can do is go and press the switch over to the right, and that's now turned off. Now we can come and return. You may want to go and close the YouTube app and reopen it again just to go and refresh it, and that's it. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.